So later, punta kami sa Conrad Resort Hotel. Hilton, I know Hilton Hotel din siya. So mamaya mag-record tayo na activity namin there. Ano man yun. Syempre kakain. For this life. See ya later.
Workout.
Workout.
Food is life.
Workout.
Our belly.
Our belly.
I'm working on my ab.
Yeah.
My one giant ab.
That's a good idea. Working out with our abs.
Working on ab.
Ganda ng panahon, guys.
I have a kangaroo pouch.
Kangaroo pouch.
Pouchy.
Oh, ganda ng skies, ng clouds.
So at least not that much pollution in Vegas today.
No.
So typically we have very poor air quality here, so it's quite nice to see clear skies. Whoa, there's a lot of traffic over here. What's going on? Oh my.
So dapat ano lang kami, papunta dun is kagabi, nag-check kami parang 22 minutes lang from our house to Hilton Hotel. Pero ang nangyari, ngayon naging 36 na siya because of traffic. Same time, my love, it's always 4 o'clock.
And this is ways taken into here. So I could only imagine the other side of it. It's just bad, man. You know, I think I'm just gonna risk it, man. Whatever, I'm just gonna try to go here.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what will Waze give us.
Okay. Let's see.
Sige nga, Waze. Impress us, Waze. We're wearing green matching. What is this color, love?
Green, no?
Green? Like olive green.
Oh, yeah, pastel green. Olive green, you're right.
Olive
Close
green,
to
pastel green, yeah. So ito yung matching namin for today. This is different route.
Yeah.
I know, it's the same.
It's the same as but Vegas, but a little bit outside of Vegas. By you know, they're
by strip by
close. So we're not in the strip though. No, we're not. That's what this hotel's at. You know, the Wynn and all that stuff where we stayed at. I think he's been there before. Conrad, I think it's the second time Kuya's there.
Yeah.
Right? Because I remember for a long time when he was there. Kuya. I wish I had his gift. I don't know what to tell him about tomorrow. Alright, we gotta stop by tomorrow, okay?
Take exit 23, I-215 West, Nevada 564 East.
To be honest, I just...
Look at that view! Ang ganda-ganda!
Where we're traveling to? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Where we're traveling?
We're traveling.
Where are we traveling to? To the Conrad Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you forgot where we're traveling to. And what are we gonna do there? I'm interviewing you.
Kumain. We're gonna eat.
Well, who are we gonna go see?
Kuya!
Oh my gosh.
So slow-mo.
You're in slow-mo. You're loading today, love.
Loading. No, I don't understand your...
And why are we getting together?
Just to be together.
But what's happening a few days later?
Oh, it's his birthday. Yeah.
Birthday boy.
It's the birthday boy.
Birthday boy's getting older. Getting older, birthday.
Getting older.
Getting older. Oi.
Oi.
It's okay, I'm getting older too.
I think you're older than him.
Yeah, by 1 year? I don't know.
No.
Oh, 2.
Oh, yeah. He's only 51, I think.
2 then.
Yeah.
52. I'm 50.
You're 52.
Mm-hmm. Kuya, he's 50?
I think, yeah.
Like the big 5-0. Okay.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna be 51.
Yeah, we already hit the big 5-0. Like $50. That's what they call it.
Oh, $50. Matatawa ka. Ang init-init. 107 yung temperature sa labas. Pero wala siyang bubong. Ayan o. Comedy. Punta kami sa Apple Store.
In 600 feet,
Bali,
turn left on Marketplace South.
may tatanong lang kami about sa cloud. Sa ano namin. Kasi nagbabayad kami ng memory.
There's really parking in front of it, so I'm just gonna grab that.
Cloud memory.
Find parking and then walk.
Okay. Pero yung, I think yung memory ni Pedro hindi kami sharing. So ako lang yung
Then make a U-turn.
nagtatamasa ng
Make a U-turn. Then turn right.
ako lang yung nagtatamasa ng libreng tawag dito memory.
Turn right. Then turn right on Avenue South.
TJ Maxx, Whole Foods. Meron dito ano to?
Turn right on
Fletcher.
Avenue South.
Fletcher. But this town square para ano to sa mga social to
Yeah.
Yung mayayaman ng mga tao dito.
Oh, it's empty. Okay.
So, nandito na tayo guys. Lakad lang kami papunta dun sa Apple Store.
Wednesday, it's like 3:48. Still enough people haven't gone out of work.
Today is Wednesday. We've been here? Not yet.
No,
The
not
PF
this one.
Shams. Yeah. So, meron silang California Pizza Kitchen. Meron din silang PF Shams dito.
California pizza is
So, meron din si receipt dito ang Ulta. Ito yung ano, yung jeep. Hi! Hi, ma'am. What? Ah, yeah. Romeo? Ito yung place dito sa may... What do you call this place again now? I forgot. Town Center? Town Center. Brio, I don't know that Brio. Ah, Brio, Kainan. Ang ganda ng jeep. I like that jeep. Yeah, AMC. We've been there. Yeah, AMC. Oh, they go to the airport. Yeah.
So yeah, tapos na kami sa Apple. Hindi ako nakapag-video kasi ang daming tao. Kasi ayoko baka magalit sila pag nilagay ko sila sa camera. So, yeah, tapos na kami sa Apple. Nagtanong lang kami about dun sa binabayaran namin na iCloud. Kasi si Pedro ang nagbabayad pero ako yung nag-i-enjoy. So yeah. What did the staff of iPhone store told you about? What should we do?
To back up my phone every 30 days
Ah,
with a free storage that they have, but you have to do it every 30 months. But you don't have to buy
30
cloud.
months or 30 days?
Sorry, 30 days every month, so you can back up your phone,
Ah, okay.
and it won't cost you anything. You don't have to buy more space because they keep selling you that thing. Not yeah.
Ah, okay.
Lane to stay
Okay.
right to I-15 north of Salt Lake City.
Okay.
Really good with like this.
Okay.
Is far from
Okay.
Vaccine ni Pacquiao. Right, my love? Mandalay Bay. Diyan lagi nagpa-vaccine si Pacquiao. Lahat ng
Yeah.
vaccine ni Pacquiao dyan.
Mandalay Bay and T-Mobile Arena too.
T-Mobile Arena.
That's where he fought the last time.
Yeah. The last time is T-Mobile Arena.
Yeah, which is past this down there.
Yeah. Hindi pa dito yun. That's
Oh, your brother, Buffy.
yeah. Mahal yung hotel na yan. Yung Vidara.
No, that's not. Yeah, that's not it.
Yeah, but Vidara. Vidara, Aria, mga manyang hotel na yan. Pero mga luman na, yung park MGM, dyan din nagbaboxing din si
MGM host boxing, yeah. Yeah, it does it a lot.
Si Pacquiao.
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
MGM din pala yung Pyramid Love eh.
Yeah.
The Pyramid is part of MGM. Kasi yung Vidara, Aria, I don't know if it's Cosmopolitan. There are like sisters. Welcome. Ito na yung pinaka-ano ng Vegas atin. This is the real center of Vegas. Ito yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga tourists dito. So guys, ayan na, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-sentro ng Vegas. This is like the center of Vegas, right?
Yeah.
This part. So nandito na yung mga hotels.
It is.
Bellagio, Cosmopolitan, Vidara, Aria, yan. MGM. Ito na yung pinaka-sentro. Papasok na tayo. Flamingo Road. Ayan yung Caesar Palace. Ayan.
Oh, no.
Ayan yung Grand
That's the
Hotel.
wing in Encore. He looked.
Treasure Island. Encore.
He's staying at a similar building, but it's not here.
Oh.
He's in Conrad.
Conrad, yeah.
Over there, see, similar.
Yeah.
No, we haven't been in that one. But he's been.
Ayan, Conrad, Trump. Diyan tayo pupunta mamaya sa, what do you call that? Conrad.
Yeah, Conrad Hotel.
Ayan. Welcome guys sa Vegas. Treasure Island. This is an old
In a
hotel.
quarter of a mile.
Yeah.
Dyan
Turn
yung
left on South Las
Win,
Vegas Boulevard.
Win at saka Encore connected dyan guys.
Yeah. Those are
Win
new.
tsaka Encore connected. Bago lang yan. Nag-check-in kami dyan sa Win. Nung lalabas kami sa parking, connecting lang sila parking. Magkapatid sila.
Yeah.
Kambal sila. Si Encore tsaka si Win. Yan. Gusto ko yan Palazzo. Yan. May mga connecting din sila. Bridge dyan.
In half a mile. Turn left on Resorts World Avenue.
Dapat pala, ganda oh.
In 1,000 feet, use the left 2 lanes to turn left. Then turn left.
Straight ahead, asawa.
Yeah, hotel parking this way.
Use the left lane to turn left. Then turn left.
Self parking. I see it.
In a quarter of a mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left on Sammy Davis Jr.
Self
Drive.
parking. There we go. Going forward. Hotel parking, self parking. Left lane?
Hi guys! Ay, pero pala. Andito na kami sa casino, kuya. Hello.
Ah, okay. All the way to Conrad daw lang. All the way. Towards Conrad lobby. Volkswagen Ball. Kuya, are you hungry na daw? Ah, ganun? Oh, siya. Nag-message talaga ako sa'yo. Hindi ka nag-reply. Show this love. Show this to me. Look at this, guys. Ano siya? Volkswagen. Ay, totoong car. At magalaw. Totoong car. Ay, siya. Tapos binilog. Brandy's donut? Okay. Isa lang. Oh, that one. 100. A lot of cigarette. So, ayan na. Casino. Cockford's Donut. Juniors. Oh, ito mga cakes to, guys. Look at that itlog, my love. Itlog. You see that? You see the rotating itlog? The itlog is holding the donut. Ano yan? Crockford's Donut. Tapos ito naman yung juniors. Ano siya? Mga cakes. Ayan.
Kasi.
Guys, ito naman guys. Ano siya? Juniors. Mga cakes. Ayan o.
I'm not doing that.
Ayan na yung birthday boy. Hi! Beautiful couple!
Pipeline Malasadas.
Brandy's Donuts. Nakakuha eh. So guys, nasa Conrad Hotel kami. Ayan yung brother ko, Pedro. At Yana! Twin bed sila.
That's good.
Ah, kuya! Yan, YouTuber yan. Laki ng ano yan. Okay, ito yung view namin from the room. Conrad.
The stratosphere.
Ayan, Circus is one of the oldest hotel here.
Yeah, Circus is
They're
like,
still standing.
You can tell.
Yeah. Circus.
It's still new. That's why it's still
Stratosphere.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Fun,
I like it.
ito daw, bago daw yung fountain. Ano?
Fountain blue.
Fountain
The nice
blue?
experience so far here is the
Fountain
wait.
blue, ayan. Bago lang daw yan.
I stayed there 2 nights, I think it was.
It's a nice hotel.
Man, it was
Other
nice.
side, nandun yung ano.
When it was nice.
Ito yung mga ano natin, yung view natin dito.
Everything open like where we took a nice
Besa
look at
Carver State.
Bin ba? Doing it. You the guys that
Ikot lang kami dito, guys.
trabajando en el ticket.
Ah, yeah. This is the big globe. Ayan, guys, oh. Picture kami dyan the last time. Usually, marami ditong nag-ano ng conventions. Dito, marami ditong conventions na ginaganap. sa place na to. Oh, yung ano niya, yung display niya is Raiders. Yeah, Raiders. Ikot lang kami na isa. Tapos bukas babalik ulit kami. Meet up kami sa brother ko. Tsaka kami kakain together. For now, naghanap kami ng mga kainan for dinner. Kapersan. Sabi nila wala na daw masyadong tao dito sa Vegas. Kasi nga daw, medyo bumabagsak na yung tourist destination na rate bang ang tawag nila doon. Napanood ko lang naman yun sa YouTube lang din. Pero, yeah, hindi naman ganun talaga kadami. Konti lang yung nakikita kong mga tourists ngayon. Mulberry Sweet Pizzeria. Guys, sila pula po. Ganda ng sasakyan, guys. Ano klase sasakyan ba to? T-Pay. Ano kayong sasakyan to? Ganda. Cute. Pink. Si Pedro, kausap si Mama. Fine wines and gourmet foods. Wally's. O, ito pala yung Wally's. Guys, si Mike Tyson pala to. Hindi ko siya nakilala. Ayan, o. Iron Mike Tyson. So, 1966 pala si Mike Tyson. Wow. Ayan, bo. Talaga naman. May statue siya dito, oh. Si Pedro. So, siguro naging guest siya dito or I don't know kung owner siya ba dito sa Mulberry Street Pizzeria. But it's closed. It's not open. Yeah.
Sahara Avenue.
Guys, pauwi na kami. Nag-coffee lang kami. Tapos, siguro bukas kami magdi-dinner.
Sahara Avenue.
Kasi, may ano sila eh. Mayroon silang kausap na kaibigan. I-meet up. So, siguro by tomorrow na lang. Hindi kami nagkaintindihan. But yeah, tomorrow.
Use the right lane
So,
to exit
uwi na
to
kami.
I-50
Kain lang kami.
Salt
Way
Lake City.
home. Hanap lang kami ng mga kainan. Kahit saan. Nagpasyal-pasyal lang kami.
Guys, nandito ulit kami sa Conrad. Meet up namin yung kapatid ko. Bigyan namin yung gift namin sa kanya. Love. Guys, nandito kami sa Kogi. Kuya ko si Ana. Hindi tayo nagpa-picture na ako. Thank you. Food namin. Samgyup. Korean barbecue. Hello? Sobrang busy.
This is not it. I remember it. Sweet. Sweet. Okay, okay.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Gaganda naman ng mga sasakyan yan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh.
Hi guys.
Busog. Nandito kami.
Joke
Natid
lang.
namin si Kuya tsaka si Ate Ana. Dito na ulit kami sa labas. Pauwi na kami, guys. Natid lang namin si Kuya tsaka si Ate Ana, yung aking sister-in-law na aking kapatid. Pero pauwi na kami. Ay, tingnan nyo yun, guys. So, parang mayroon siyang saucer. Meron yatang alien dyan. No, it looks like an alien spaceship.
So we stayed there.
Fashion show. Oh.
This is where we stayed.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Wynn Hotel.
In 1,000 feet, use the left 2
Maggiano's
lanes to turn
Little
left on
Italy.
Sands Avenue.
Hello. Welcome to Vegas, guys.
Vegas.
Vegas. Yeah.
A city with so many screens.
Yeah.
So-
Big screens.
So many
A
screens.
lot of screens.
Consider the brightest city in the world.
Yeah. Palazzo. Ayan o, Palazzo. Audible. Burberry.
Venetian.
Let's go to Burberry. Let's shop.
Oh, Burberry's there?
Yeah, you're all Michael
left on Sands
Kors.
Avenue.
Yeah.
We haven't been there now.
No,
Oh, we've been there, but
No,
we
we've
just...
been, just in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been through this bridge. And the sphere is
Yeah,
that way.
Louis Vuitton, Dior, Cartier.
And there goes the sphere.
Ayan, ang Spears. Ayan na guys, pasyal ko kayo. Kailan
In
pauwi na
3/4 of a
kami?
mile.
No.
Turn right on Paradise
Hindi na ako
Road.
nakapag-video kanina. Kasi nga, busy na chismisan. Eagles live at Spear.
Oh, the Eagles are going to play there.
Yeah, yeah. Tara na sa Spears!
Oh, we're passing it. Right next to it now.
Tara, let's...
That's the one saying Hotel California. We flew right after you go.
Ayan na, laki naman yan! Ayan na, laki! Ayun na nga guys, bali uwi na tayo. Napagod ako. Nag-iho kasi kami, nag-hotpot kami. Pag doon kasi nakakapagod. Why is that Kogi makes us work?
Work?
They remove a lot of
Oh, yeah. They did a lot of
stuff.
benefits. Yeah, they don't serve you.
Yeah, they don't
a
serve you
lot of
anymore.
Yeah, they got lazy.
Yeah, you should serve
You go
yourself.
get it. You go
Go
get
get it in
And then you
our
cook it.
bar
And then
and
you
you
cook
cook it. Oh my goodness, yeah. Their job is just getting the orders
yeah.
to give your... Oh, I need to work there. It's not that tired anymore. Not that tired anymore.
We should get paid.
Yeah,
For
they're the
cooking our own
one...
food
We need to get our own food in their bar.
and cook it.
And you need to also to cook it by yourselves. Oh my goodness.
And it's gotten expensive.
And it's so expensive. Remember the last time when you had two tray, but it's not that expensive. But you just have one tray now, and it's too much.
Yeah, it's changed. It's changed a lot.
Yeah. And they added sushi, but you don't, I don't know.